Hello, good day. I have here intercom, okay, interstation and outdoor station. Then this one access control using only one magnetic lock. So the connection will be the NC, or normally close from here, outdoor station, and normally close from here, NC from here, will be connected directly. So this is the NC to NC, from here NC, here NC, and the common for this one will be connected any for the negative from the magnet or the negative from the power supply. So here the common from this access control connected to the negative for magnetic lock. So the common for this outdoor station also is connected to the common or the negative for the power supply. So we will test. Okay.
The door is open.
Okay. That's it.